Shorty, yeah, right, BBK. Sunday to Monday, I'm like BBK.
Okay.
Do you remember that track? What a banger. Yes, people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Nike Air Jordan 3 UNC. But before we get into this shoe, make sure you check out the soulsupplier.co.uk, sign up and turn on release reminders so you never miss a drop such as this banging shoe. And while you're at it, hit that like, share and subscribe button down below. But let's get into this sneaker itself because it is absolutely unreal. Inspired by Michael Jordan's college, the UNC, University of North Carolina. I'm sure you already knew this. This color palette is as clean as it comes with iconic detailing such as elephant print on the toe cap as well as sidewalls, and that vapor blue hits coming all the way across it. Unlike other UNCs which are player exclusive, so PEs, these ones here come with the Jumpman logo rather than the UNC insignia. Those ones there are going for like $2 It's absolutely crazy. Whereas these are still like a cool 200 on resale. So you can make a little bit of profit if you're looking to buy to resell, but it's not worth it. Just wear your goddamn shoes and these are definitely worth it. With tumbled leathers coming all the way across the upper and then nice perforations coming on the underlays. This shoe is all about the little details. Releasing this Saturday, the 7th of March, these shoes are retail at £165 and they are worth every single penny. Fitting true to size and mad comfortable. This is a must cut for many people in the Soul Supplier office. Let us know if you'll be picking up a pair and I will leave a link down in the description as per usual. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier and this is the Jordan UNC 3. We'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. See ya.